Hello guys, welcome to yet another new session of Rituja Ki Pathshala, that is my YouTube channel and myself Rituja Nirwan. So guys, all of you know that as in the previous lecture we have seen regarding the aggregate function, that is some aggregate function. We have started the aggregate functions and making it understand one by one. So in the today's lecture we are going to see what is average aggregate function and what its usage and where you can use it. Now first of all I would like to tell you guys what is average. What is average? In the simple terms, what is average? So for example, we are taking one of the example, that is there are five number series. Okay, the group of number is called as a number series. Okay, now in these numbers, if I want to take the average of this number, so what I will do, average is equals to the sum of all these numbers which is present in the example, that is 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and plus 9. Okay, sum of all these numbers and divide by total numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 5, total number values, that is number of values. What are the number of values? That is number of values. Okay, so these are the aggregate function, average aggregate function. So what will be the answer? Like whatever the total number of values, whatever the total is there, that is 9 plus 1 10 plus 8 18, 18 19 20 21 22, 22 plus 6 20 24 25 26 27 28. Okay, so this is the 28 total and number of values is 5. So what's the answer guys? 5 5 is a 25, 5 5 is a 25, 3 will be remain, then 0, 5 6 are 30. So 5.6 will be the answer. Okay, so this is the thing. If you want to recheck it, calculator, see it in. It's very simple calculation, but if for your convenience I will just show you 28 divided by 5. What's the answer? 5.6. Okay, this is correct. So this is the average term what we are going to see in the aggregate function, how it's used in the aggregate function. So for that, first of all we will fetch one of the table from my database, that is select star from employee details, semicolon. Now select this table and hit the execute button guys. So okay, wait, you can see the total number of columns, that is, and total number of records. 7 records are present, few columns are present, and inside that data is also present. Now we want the average. Okay, now my question is that I want the average of the department number. So what I will do, how I will write it, select average of department number, my column name. Okay, now I am giving my column name as average DPT number from a table name, that is employee details. Okay, that's it. We want the average of the department number from the table name. So select this piece of code and hit the execute button guys. So see, my average department number is 20. Okay, now how it has calculated? It has calculated all the addition of these all department numbers and then divide by 7, total number of values, that is 7, and after that it has got the value that we have seen here, that is 20. Okay, now again one more example we will take. Now I want the average of employee number whose department number is, let's say, 30. Okay, or 10. Okay, we are having the requirement of select average employee number as average employee number from table name employee details, and where my condition is that where my department number is 10, let's say department number equals to 10. See, semicolon. Now select this, I have written in the code, select. Now I want the average of the employee number my column name is employee number. I want the average from this column. So I have written the column name here as, now I have given the column name as average employee number. When it will give you the output, at that time the heading of the column will be this average employee number. From table name, that is employee details, where department number, I want the department number as 10. Okay. Now see, there are two records present in the 10 department number. Now this employee number is 7777 and this employee number is 7333. Firstly, we will only calculate manually and then see what it is giving the result. Okay. So let's see here. I want to show you manually and then what's the result. Okay. 4 times 7, 7777 plus again 10, then 7333, 7333. Okay, and divide by, because number of values is 2, so 2. My answer is 7555. Okay, keep it in your mind guys, 7555 is my answer. Now let's see what answer it is giving to me. See, 7555 means it is working very correctly. Okay, now again go to the original table. If you want like say if you're trying it on the string value column, then what it will work or not, let's see that as well. Select average. Actually it is not possible, but if anyone tried it, then you will definitely get the error. What error you are getting, let's see that. Average, let's give the column name as average job. Actually it is, while listening also we are thinking that is it possible. Actually it is not possible, but I want to show you guys. So from employee details, now I want the average of the job from the employee details table, and I have written that piece of code and hitting the execute button. So see, operand data type varchar is invalid for average operator. We need there the data type of this job is varchar, and that data type can't be converted into the int while performing this query. So that's why it is giving us the error. Okay. Now select the original table. Again, if you want to try it on the MGR value, let's take the average of the MGR value, what it will give. Select, oh my spelling mistake, apologies, average of MGR. Okay, from employee details. Let's see, simply we are taking the average and semicolon. Now select average MGR from employee details and hit the execute button. See, 7626. If you are feeling like is it correct or not, then please go to the original table and see all these values. Add all these values and divide by 7, because total number of values are 7. That's how we are taking the average. Okay, how we are calculating average I have already explained here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so in today's lecture guys, this is it. Now in the coming lecture we are going to see what is the count aggregate function, how we are going to use. So guys, if you are feeling any kind of like hesitation or like how it is, like if you want to ask me ki Rutuja, how you are calculating this, or Rutuja, can I do this in this way, or Rutuja, where is it where we can use it in the real world scenario, or any kind of question in your mind, right guys, please write down in the comment section. I will definitely look to each and every comment and definitely reply to you. If you are liking my video, if you are liking the style whichever I am teaching, and if you are able to follow it, please go to my channel, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon guys, so that whenever I am posting the video you will get the notification and you will not miss any kind of learning from my end. Okay, and if you think that I need at my end any kind of improvement into my lecture while doing it, so please write down into the comment section. I will definitely try to improve it, and so that you will be able to understand it in a very well manner. So thank you so much guys for your very precious time, and have a nice